Ndewo kekime ahambu ijoma kuboine wataragi nkuzi Igbo no. If this is your first time, welcome. I haven't been here for a while. Daloke kunume. Hope you're well. Hope you're well. Okay. Today anigamo how to say give, give me. Before I continue, there's going to be a few changes to the channel. I'll be sharing more of my faith. I believe in the Lord Jesus Christ and His second coming, and every now and again you might hear me talk about Him. Okay, so today anamu maka give nyem. So nyem is give me. Okay, so biko nyem, please give me. Biko nyem ndụdụ fork. Biko nyem ndụdụ fork. Okay, ndụdụ. Biko nyem ngaji. Biko nyem ngaji spoon. Biko nyem mma. Biko nyem mma knife. Okay, let's go over that again. Biko nyem ndụdụ fork. Ndụdụ. Biko nyem ngaji spoon. Ngaji. Biko nyem mma knife. Okay, now that we've learned this, let's just learn their colors, since I've got very colorful things here. Red has about 3 names at least. Okay, I'll start with ọbara. Ọbara means blood, so this means like it's colored like blood. So ọbara is blood, but if I want to say the red color, I'll say it twice. Ọbara. Ngaji di ọbara. This spoon is red. Okay, ngaji di ọbara, or ngaji na-acha ọbara. Oroma, orange. This is taken from the color, taken from the fruit orange. Okay, so orange is oroma. If you say it twice, that's the color. Oroma. Ndụdụ na-acha oroma. This fork is colored orange. Ndụdụ, this fork. Ndụdụ fork. Ndụdụ, this fork. Ndụdụ fork. Ndụdụ, this fork. Na-acha is colored. Oroma, orange. Ndụdụ na-acha oroma. Ndụdụ this fork. Ndụdụ na-acha oroma. Okay, ndụdụ fork. Ndụdụ na-acha edo bụ yellow. Edo. Okay, we have gold. I haven't got gold today, but gold is called ọla edo. That's ọla edo. Ọla is jewelry. So ọla edo is gold. The color gold, ọla edo. But this is yellow. Edo. I'm mentioning it because they're similar, isn't it? Yellow, edo. Ndụdụ, green. Ndụ is life. So ndụdụ, green. You might also hear akwụkwọ ndụ. Akwụkwọ ndụ is green leaf. So it's colored like a green leaf, or it has the color of life. Ndụdụ or akwụkwọ ndụ. But green, yeah. Blue, anụnụ. Ngaji na-acha anụnụ. This spoon is colored blue. Ngaji di anụnụ. This spoon is blue. One more. Ọcha, white. Ọcha, ọ dị ọcha. Okay. Ndụdụ dị ọcha, white. Okay, dalo. So ngaji, spoon, mma, knife, ndụdụ, fork. Colors one more time. Green, ndụdụ. Red, ọbara. Yellow, edo. White, ọcha. Blue, anụnụ. Orange, oroma. Ngwanụ kọdị o na-asụkwa Igbo kọdị. Dalo rinne. Agazie.